Alright, we are going to make Hawaiian roll sliders. First you brown the meat, takes 15-20 minutes, and then I will show you next step. Now I'm going to add taco seasoning. Not a lot, just a little bit. Give it a nice little taco season. And stir it up. Simmer it for a few minutes. On the stove, olive oil, real butter, garlic powder, and some salt. Slow heat it up, melt it. Then we're going to put it on the buns and put it in the oven on broiler to toast the buns for the Hawaiian sliders. Then I'm back at the hamburger, and I'm going to add 3 or 4 cans of the Cambells cheddar cheese. Mix it in there, add a little bit of milk. Set that aside on low, keep it warm while I toast the Hawaiian bread rolls. So with this, we're going to take and butter the bread. Alright, so here is the hamburger mixed with the cheese with a little taco seasoning inside. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes and then time to eat. Charlene was here. And here we go. End product.